Okay, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a holder for ink refills to keep them neatly organized. This particular one can hold 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one will hold 4 by 8 refills. And so let's begin. Okay, we'll start by taking some heavyweight cardstock. And we will score it every 1 inch. Now we'll turn it widthwise and score every 1 inch again. Okay, now we're going to start folding it up in a kind of accordion way. So we'll start by folding the center, and then we're going to fold this one up, so that, well, actually we'll fold this one back. So we'll fold it as an accordion. And then we'll fold this one back. And then we'll fold the next two here up and then back, so that what we have are like this. And so we just keep going down. And it's like that. And so we will, every other one that's going to go up, we'll go ahead and use our bone folder to seal them down. And then this last one will just come up. So what we have are 3 rows. Actually 4 rows. So we've got this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now the next step we're going to do, so now we've got the set here that's folded like this, and we're going to glue all these parts that are sticking up together. So we'll just get our liquid glue, and under here we want to glue this one together. Okay, the next step, on the parts that we've glued together, you'll look at where the score lines are, and you'll cut a little wedge about halfway down along each of the score lines with the 2 pieces that you've glued together. And there's a 1/2 inch overhang at the edge that I've just cut off. Okay, now we'll take another sheet of paper and score it every 1 inch lengthwise. Okay, and then we'll take our paper cutter and we will cut at that 8 inch mark. And then we will cut every 2 inches. Okay, and now we will Score at every inch. Okay, now we'll take these strips and cut them every 4 inches. Okay, now we'll take each of these strips and fold it lengthwise. And next we will glue these 2 strips together. Okay, now we'll take each of these strips. This is the folded side, and this is the bottom side where the 2 have been joined together. And what we'll do, again, this is the folded side, and so this time we're going to cut the slit from the bottom up. So once again, making little wedge slits about halfway up. And we're cutting those slits at the score lines. All right, next we're going to take these little slots and we're going to slide them in on the notches on the base piece. Okay, next we're going to take another piece of paper and we are going to cut it at 11 inches by 7 inches. So 11 by 7 inches. And next we're going to score it 1.5 inches all the way around. Next we'll take our scissors and we'll cut down to the score line along the wide edge on either side. And now I'm folding up at the score lines. And now we will build our box by gluing these pieces together. So we'll start by just putting glue on the flaps. And then we will glue them together. Okay, and now we just slide our box in, the dividers. And if you want, you can actually glue the bottom in or just keep it loose. And it's the perfect size for ink refills or stickles or anything like that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.